Top 7 Best Luxury Hotels in Cairo, Egypt. Fellow global explorers, welcome to Living Lux, the place to get a taste of the hottest adults-only havens from around the world. We have what you need to know so that you can plan an exotic luxury vacation with your friends, loved ones, or romantic escapes with your special someone. Today, we are taking you to a place where ancient civilization blends with the modern era. Welcome to Cairo, Egypt. Cairo is Egypt's capital city and rests on the Nile River with Tahrir Square in its heart. Visitors from across the world enjoy the vast Egyptian Museum of History, a jaw-dropping collection including gilded King Tut artifacts and royal mummies. Just outside the city, Giza is the site of the iconic pyramids and Great Sphinx dating back to the 26th century BC. The 187-meter Cairo Tower affords panoramic city views in Gezira Island's leafy Zamalek district. For lovers of perfume and cologne, take a tour of the perfume shops in the city, where you will experience some of the finest fragrances known to man. Many of these perfumes are sold to top designer brands across Europe, secret ingredients known only to a select few. We're passionate about luxury world travel, and if you are too, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell to receive regular updates on the best hidden getaways, retreats, and escapes from around the globe. In this video, we offer a taste of some of the best luxury hotels in Cairo, Egypt. There is so much more to this gorgeous city and these hotels than can ever be summed up in one video, but we hope you enjoy seeing a glimpse of what your dream vacation might look like when you choose to stay at one of these incredible luxury hotels. Now that we've piqued your curiosity, just relax and let these incredible options wash over you. Without further ado, we present to you our top recommendations for the most luxurious experiences in Cairo, Egypt.
The St. Regis Al Massa Hotel, Cairo. Anytime you gaze out of the windows in this charming hotel, you are reminded of the exquisite local heritage while taking in the outstanding views of the Nile River and authentic Old Cairo. The St. Regis is the product of uncompromising standards, combined with thoughtfully curated amenities in 233 spacious guest rooms, 50 exclusive suites, and 79 luxury apartments. All guest rooms and suites feature balconies as well as butler service. The hotel complex is 37 miles away from the city center, and it features one of the largest convention centers in the Middle East and Africa. With over 42,000 square feet of event space, guests will have their choice of 3 regal ballrooms, dedicated bridal suites, 9 meeting rooms, and 6 impressive VIP lounges with access to private dining. The Summit Hall is ideal for meetings of high-level dignitaries, while the state-of-the-art Teatro Al Asema offers an outstanding spectator experience.
Four Seasons, Cairo. This 5-star hotel offers suites featuring panoramic views of the Nile, where guests can enjoy entertainment, marble bathroom, and excellent air conditioning. The spa facilities are luxurious, with a beautiful outdoor landscape pool area. Some of the best rooms at Four Seasons include panoramic views over the city, elegant bathtubs with separate glass-enclosed showers, and 2 sinks in each bathroom. The spa includes an indoor pool, salon, and gym. Guests can unwind with a rejuvenating massage and relax in the jacuzzi. Car rental can be arranged by the concierge. The front desk also offers 24/7 room service as well as a laundry service. A freshly prepared, sumptuous breakfast buffet is served each morning. Guests expand their horizons with traditional meals from the region at Four Seasons Hotel Cairo at Nile Plaza's restaurant. Cairo International Airport is 20 kilometers from the Four Seasons Hotel Cairo at Nile Plaza. Other popular spots owned by the Four Seasons in Cairo include the Graffiti Bar and Lounge at Nile Plaza, Four Seasons Hotel Cairo at the First Residence, as well as the Four Seasons Restaurant and Cafe.
Fairmont Nile City, Cairo. During your stay, embark on culinary adventures at the city's finest restaurants, such as Bal El Nil, Napa Grill, and Saigon Restaurant and Lounge. Satisfy your seafood craving at their Restaurant Festival Buffet that is held every Thursday. If you're looking for nightlife, there are also several bars close by. To cool off from the desert heat, enjoy the rooftop poolside restaurant and pamper yourself at Willow Stream Spa. Each of their signature spa treatments honors local culture along with the country's rich traditions, combining timeless sea-based therapies with the all-natural beauty secrets of ancient Egypt. Visit the Alegria Premier Golf Course, designed by champion golfer Greg Norman, and receive special rates as a Fairmont guest.
Kempinski, Nile City. Cairo's affluent Garden City district is home to Kempinski Nile Hotel, offering luxurious rooms on the shores of the Nile River. Each room is fitted with butler service around the clock, flat-screen satellite televisions, free Wi-Fi, minibar, and a movie library, as well as complimentary tea and coffee to enjoy throughout the day. Kempinski's full-service spa and wellness center offers free access to the jacuzzi, steam room, and sauna. Guests have the option to enjoy rejuvenating massages or cool off at the hotel's rooftop outdoor swimming pool. The Kempinski is only a short walk from luxurious shopping areas, the Opera House, and the Egyptian Museum.
Marriott Mena, Cairo. Many of the 331 luxurious rooms and suites in the Marriott Mena feature exquisite views of the pyramids, the swimming pool, or the pristine gardens, multiple lounges and restaurants, expansive banquet facilities, a heated swimming pool, and a health club. Travelers from across the world enjoy discovering this unique and unparalleled hotel in Cairo, Egypt.
Ritz-Carlton, Cairo. Here, guests enjoy breathtaking views of Old and New Egypt at Cairo's most iconic location, which is occupied by the Nile Ritz-Carlton along the Nile River. This hotel carries a rich legacy, long celebrated as a beacon of luxury within the city. The views offered here are unmatched, overlooking Tahrir Square and the Egyptian Museum, while guests are immersed in Egyptian culture and treated like royalty at the Ritz-Carlton, Cairo.
Le Méridien, Cairo. Le Méridien occupies the most exclusive location in the heart of Heliopolis. This breathtaking hotel offers guests their choice of 283 rooms and suites in an elegantly designed setting, offering a wide spectrum of services, all while guaranteeing comfort, space, and charm. The restaurants and bars range from casual to formal, offering a delicious assortment of dining experiences with a wide variety of international culinary delights from the 5 continents.
It is our true hope that these videos inspire you to stay adventurous and expand your horizons. So if you like this video, we would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching until the end, remembering to subscribe and clicking the bell icon for more weekly world travel inspiration from around the globe. See you next time on Living Lux.